When you mix castor oil and baking soda, you're combining two powerful natural ingredients that have been used for generations in home remedies, beauty routines, and health treatments. The synergy between castor oil and baking soda creates a blend that's celebrated for its surprising array of benefits. But what happens when these two are brought together, and what are the potential effects you can expect? Let's explore the science, tradition, and practical uses behind this unique combination. Castor oil is derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant. For centuries, it's been prized for its rich, thick texture and its potent chemical makeup, particularly its high concentration of ricinoleic acid. This fatty acid gives castor oil its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and moisturizing properties, making it a staple in both medicinal and cosmetic applications. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a versatile compound that acts as a gentle abrasive, a natural deodorizer, and an alkalizing agent. When combined, these ingredients create a paste or solution that can be used in many surprising ways, from skincare to cleaning, and even for minor health concerns. The first thing to note is the chemical reaction that can occur when castor oil and baking soda are mixed. Baking soda, being alkaline, can neutralize acids and interact with the fatty acids in castor oil. The result is a slightly effervescent, creamy paste that can be easily spread and applied. This mixture is gentle enough for topical use, but robust enough to deliver visible results, especially when used consistently. One of the most popular uses for castor oil and baking soda is as a natural exfoliant and skin detoxifier. The texture of baking soda provides a mild scrubbing action, helping to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores, while castor oil penetrates deep into the skin, delivering moisture and anti-inflammatory benefits. To use, simply blend a tablespoon of castor oil with a teaspoon of baking soda until a smooth paste forms. Gently massage this mixture onto your face in circular motions, paying special attention to areas prone to blackheads or dryness. After a few minutes, rinse with warm water and pat your skin dry. Regular use can help brighten your complexion, soften rough patches, and even reduce the appearance of blemishes. In addition to exfoliation, this mixture is often used as a spot treatment for acne and minor skin irritations. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil helps fight bacteria and reduce inflammation, while baking soda's alkalinity can help balance the skin's pH and minimize excess oil. To treat a pimple or insect bite, dab a small amount of the paste onto the affected area and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. Many users report that redness and swelling diminish quickly, and that the healing process is accelerated. Castor oil and baking soda are also known for their ability to fade scars and pigmentation. When used regularly, the combination can gradually lighten dark spots, whether from acne, sun exposure, or minor injuries. The mechanism here involves both exfoliation and stimulation of cell turnover. Castor oil promotes healthy skin regeneration, while baking soda helps remove surface discoloration. For best results, apply the mixture 2 to 3 times a week, always following up with a gentle moisturizer. Another surprising benefit of this blend is its effectiveness as a natural deodorant. Baking soda neutralizes odor-causing bacteria, while castor oil creates a protective barrier that moisturizes the skin and prevents irritation. Unlike commercial deodorants that may contain harsh chemicals or synthetic fragrances, this homemade alternative is gentle and suitable for sensitive skin. To use, apply a thin layer under your arms and allow it to absorb before dressing. You'll enjoy long-lasting freshness without the risk of clogged pores or allergic reactions. The mixture can also be used as a remedy for rough, cracked heels and dry elbows. Castor oil's deep hydration works in tandem with baking soda's smoothing action to soften tough skin and promote healing. Simply massage the paste onto problem areas before bedtime and cover with socks or a bandage. Within a few days, you'll notice a marked improvement in texture and comfort. Beyond skincare, castor oil and baking soda are occasionally used in hair treatments. The combination can help cleanse the scalp, remove buildup, and promote healthy hair growth. Castor oil is known for stimulating circulation to the scalp and nourishing hair follicles, while baking soda can clarify and lift excess oil. To create a nourishing scalp mask, mix equal parts of castor oil and baking soda, apply to the roots, and gently massage. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Regular use may result in softer, shinier hair and a healthier scalp environment. For those interested in natural cleaning solutions, this duo is incredibly effective. Castor oil's thick consistency helps lift grime and sticky residues, while baking soda's abrasive nature scrubs away dirt without scratching surfaces. You can use the mixture to clean sinks, tiles, and even remove stubborn stains from fabrics. It's safe, non-toxic, and biodegradable, making it an excellent alternative to commercial cleaners. Of course, with any home remedy, it's important to be mindful of potential side effects. Some individuals may experience mild irritation or allergic reactions, especially if they have sensitive skin. It's always wise to perform a patch test before applying any new mixture to larger areas of the body. Additionally, while castor oil and baking soda are generally safe for external use, they shouldn't be ingested or applied to open wounds without medical supervision. The combination of castor oil and baking soda harnesses the best qualities of both ingredients: moisture, healing, exfoliation, and cleansing. Whether you're seeking a natural solution for skincare challenges, a gentle deodorant, a restorative hair treatment, or a powerful cleaning agent, this mixture offers a wide range of benefits with minimal risk. Its versatility and effectiveness have made it a favorite among proponents of natural health and beauty, and it continues to gain popularity for those seeking gentle, chemical-free alternatives. In essence, mixing castor oil and baking soda unlocks a world of practical and therapeutic uses. From softening rough skin and brightening your complexion, to neutralizing odors and promoting scalp health, the possibilities are nearly endless. With simple ingredients found in most homes, you can create a potent blend that supports wellness, beauty, and cleanliness, all while avoiding harsh chemicals and additives. So the next time you're seeking a solution for a stubborn skin concern or looking to enhance your self-care routine, consider reaching for castor oil and baking soda and experience the surprising benefits for yourself.